Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. So today my hair is all blown out. Why? Because we're going to do a flexi rod set on dry blown up hair. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me and give me a big thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Okay, so like I said, we are going to do a flexi rod set, and today I'm going to be using this Lifstye Advanced Climate Control Heat and Humidity Gel. I will be trying out flexi rods with a few different products just to see when I can get the right one. The last time I did a flexi rod set, I do have a video for it. I didn't use enough rods. I did the horseshoe method and I only used 6 rods, and I noticed that like up in this middle part I just needed some more curls. So we're going to use more flexi rods this time. So let's get started. I am going to section my hair into 4 and then we're going to get started. Alright guys, so I am back and my hair is dry, so let's go ahead and take this down. I basically slept in them, so. Alright. A little frizziness right there, but nothing I can't handle. Untwist it, and when I pull them apart, just untwist it like that. And then untwist this one. Twist it like that. And I'm gonna take them all down. I will be right back. I'm gonna take them all down. So I like the coils. They're not too crunchy. I definitely like that. Take down one of these. Okay, it's doable. So yeah, I'll be right back when I take them all down. Alright guys, so I am back. This is the finished look. I like it. I'm gonna like it better after probably the 3rd day, but I think the problem I'm having with the Ooey Dot Advanced Climate Control that I use for it is that it's my fault. I didn't use enough product because it's kind of frizzy. But this is how it looks up close. The back, I gotta pick it out some more, but yeah. So I guess it's cute. I like the one I did before a little bit better. But like I say, I know after 2-3 days I was really feeling myself. So I am going to come back in 2 to 3 days and I'll show you how I wrap this up when I get back home from work. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I am back. I'm tired. It's been a long day at work. But I promised that I would film this how I put my hair up at night video. Girl, I'm tired. I done cooked dinner. I done been at work all day. But when I make a promise, I'm going to keep my promise. And that is how I tie this up at night. This morning when I took it down, I was like, oh, it's frizzy. I don't know if I like it. Ooh, out the bam. But I got so many compliments today that changed everything. Anywho, so I usually tie this up in 4 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like a 4-way pineapple. With scrunchies, mind you. But you guys know, like, when you trying to look for stuff, you can't never find it. I got 1 scrunchie. And I got a bunch of these snagless rubber bands, so we're going to use those today. Then this morning, when I was taking off my favorite satin scarf, it fell in the toilet. So, it wasn't in the toilet. It was cool. It's cool, clean water. But, of course, I got to wash it. So I ain't got that. I have an identical satin scarf just like this. And once again, do you know when you put stuff up and you like, okay, I know where it's at. It's there. So when I go back to it, it'll be right there. It's not there. The other one that I have exactly like this. So I gotta wash this tonight. So we're not gonna use this tonight. But when you tie it up, you would preferably like a satin scarf like this. I promise y'all when it fell in the toilet, it wasn't nothing in the toilet but water. Anywho, so I'm going to mimic it. This is what I'm gonna tie my hair up with. A cotton scarf. Don't come for me, because that's just what's gonna happen tonight. Hopefully all my hair won't come out. Anywho, alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is you just take one side, go ahead, lift it all the way up. If you have a part in the middle, if you have a part on the side, you can do the same thing. You're just gonna take your scrunchie and literally just pull her up like that. Then same thing, if you had a scrunchie, I got these no snag barrettes, so we're gonna use that. Take this side, pull her up. And the one good thing about this too, I felt like my hair was so tight because I had used a tighter flexi rod. It's gonna stretch your hair in the morning. So one like that, look, 1, 2, boom, boom. All right. Okay. No, I was about to say, we're not doing this. Why can't I find none of my stuff? Some more stretchless. Then you're gonna go ahead, take your back, and I just stretch it into 2. Once again, bring it all the way up as far as you can bring it. Take all of that on one side and do another scrunch. I mean, another, not scrunchy, but I got the things. But you know what? Since I do have that, I'm gonna go ahead and do these twice because these are kind of stretched out. So let's do it twice, like that. Boom. Same thing for the other one. And this guarantees that your style will last you about 4 or 5 days, sometimes a week. Same thing, this one. We'll do twice, like that. Then you're just gonna take your satin scarf, which I happen to have a cotton scarf today, which is a no-no. And we're going to go ahead, take your head all the way back like this. Make sure your curls are on top. And then you'll just tie your satin scarf in the front as such. But I'm using cotton today, so whatever. Make sure your curls are at the top. Then you're gonna take your bonnet, whatever bonnet you got. This is not even the bonnet I want to use today. I can't find the bonnet I want to use, but whatever. I'm tired. I want to go to bed, so. Take your bonnet, put it on top. Oh, this bonnet is so old. Best believe I'm gonna find my other bonnet that's tighter. But I just wanted to show you guys tonight before I got too sleepy how I tie my hair up. And I'll be back in the morning to take it down for day 2. See See you guys. Good night. Good morning, guys. I am back, and just like I promised, it's the morning time. I had a good night's sleep. I'm dressed for work, so I'm going to tell you how I take down my hair. I had an excellent sleep last night, and I feel refreshed and energized. Okay, so like I told y'all, cotton scarf, not really the way to go, but I washed my satin scarf, so we're good to go. So we're going to go ahead and take down our hair for day 2, and it'll look something like this. And just go ahead, I take the back off first. The 2 scrunchies in the back, but like I told y'all, I used the no tie. Give it a good shake and pull, and it should just fall nice and natural. Same with the other side. Give it a good shake. And like I said, I like this because it's gonna stretch it out, make it look a little longer today. So go ahead and just pull this apart, just like such. Take your other scrunchie off, do the same thing, and then basically I'm gonna put some edge control, or actually it's control paste by Curls, on my little poofy part right there. And usually I just take my paste and just make it nice and slick right there at that edge part, and then just kind of do my hair over it like that. And like I say, every day it's going to look better and better. To me, it gets bigger, fuller, you know, fluffier and longer. So what won't you like about that? All right, guys, so like I said, I'm rushing, so that is what I do in the morning. Easy breezy. Your hair looks just as great. I gotta look at this back, y'all. I just took it down, so I'm going to fix that a little bit off camera as well. But that is it. That's all you have to do to get this look every day, is scrunch it up. I do it in 4, and that's basically if your hair is the length of mine, which is fairly short. If it's longer, you can get away with 2 pineapples, or maybe even 1 if it's real long, but whatever. So what I'm going to do now is just insert day 3 right here, a video of me on day 3, and then I'm gonna insert a video of me on day 4 right here, and show you that it looks just as good. Day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. After day 6, it's kind of looking janky, but we're not gonna worry about that. All right, guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up, and go ahead and hit the notification bell when I do post another video. All right, guys, I hope to see you in past, present, and future videos. Love you guys. Bye.